Left. Next. Left. Next. Left.
Mr. Cohen, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Detective John. I'm going to be helping you today.
Please, call me Edward.
Edward, nice. Well, see, Edward, we have a bit of a mix-up here. The Brooklyn PD has associated you as a suspect in a fraud, extortion, and murder trial. I personally think it's a bunch of garbage, but for posterity's sake, I'm going to need you to answer a few questions. Can you tell me where you were on the night of the incident?
I was a little late to work that day.
Why were you late to work that morning?
So I was on my way to work, driving to work, regular traffic. Some kid almost hits me with his truck. Almost had a car accident on my way to work. A little ridiculous. So I was a little late, maybe like an hour or two. I get there.
Who else was at work that morning?
All I saw was Wilfred and Alice was there.
Alice. Who's Alice?
Alice, tall broad, always wearing black, like at someone's funeral or something. I guess it is now.
Valid point. So, can you relay to me what happened after the lobby?
Yeah. I went up to my office to work on insurance claims all day. Charles would pop in his head every so often, check up on me.
Anything else we need to clear up?
No, I think that's it.
Well, I'm gonna have to hold you for a little longer, but it should be cleared up fairly soon. Thank you. Officer, could you, thank you.
We're not all getting out of this.
Well, what do you propose?
One of us gotta go down.
Mr. Jones? Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay. You want coffee, water? All right. Let's start right away. Look, all we want is the truth. So, where were you on the night of the incident?
I told you. At home with my mom.
With your mom. Listen, Bucko, I don't have time for this garbage. I know you know what happened. Tell me.
I woke up, regular time, 5:35. Everyone for the snooze button, you know? I left the house at 6, went around the corner for a cup of coffee. No creamer, 2 sugars. Since details matter so much. Then I went to work. Said hi to Edward.
I'm gonna stop you right there. Was there anyone else at the bank that morning?
You know, it's rude to interrupt.
Answer the damn question, Jones.
Nah, just Edward and Charlie if I remember correct.
Straight answer. I didn't know it was possible.
Do you have anything else you'd like to add to this? No? So what your friends have to say about this whole matter?
Alice have dealt with 2 of your friends now, and I
First of all, need to remind you that there is no smoking in this establishment.
Furthermore, I've heard a lot of garbage about this entire incident, and I'm hoping that you can finally bring some clarity. Can you please tell me what you were doing on the day of the incident and what your associates were?
Nothing. I was at home all night.
Look, Alice, I know that's not true. I've talked to two of your friends, and that story doesn't collaborate with any of theirs. Now, I want you to tell me where you were, or I'm gonna get nasty.
I told you. I was at home all night.
Alice, you think your money can protect you? Think your money can make you above the law? Well, look, I got some fucking money too. Everyone's got some. Now, you're gonna tell me where you were, okay, or it's gonna get very bad for you very quick.
It's not like you believe me anyway.
Okay?
Yeah. Check the initials on the bottom. See who I was with.
While your actions are morally reprehensible, sadly there's no charge for philandering. I'm gonna have to thank you for your cooperation in this matter, Alice. And I'm sorry to hear about your husband's recent passing. An excellent thing.
Action.
I think Edward Cohen's that man. Everyone else checks out. Alice is a gold digging philanderer, but can't charge you on that, huh? Sadly, your associate is freaking weird, but nothing to do there either. So I think we're gonna have to arrest Edward Cohen. Kind of shame I like that guy. All right, call it in. I'm gonna go get him now. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen of the media, I would like to announce that we have made an arrest in the Charles Whitaker case. His former associate and close friend, Edward Cohen, is our man to blame. He has pleaded guilty to all charges and will be serving a 15-year life sentence in a federal penitentiary. We're happy to make this arrest and make the streets of New York a safer place. We know that the real men have been caught, and we're happy to announce that NYPD is as strong and as prosperous as ever. Thank you.